So July 4th weekend, beautiful weather. You want to hang out with your friends. You don't want to be slaving away making cocktails all day for them. Get a bottle of champagne. Got this from Costco. It's the Kirkland, and Costco actually has really good liquor and champagne, so I would recommend that. And I got this little sampler set. These are like small wine decanters. I got this from Amazon, and it's great. You make your purees, you prepare them, and then your friends come over, and all you're gonna do is pop bottles and party. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pop this bottle. Ready? Boom. There you go, popped it. And I'm gonna got the raspberry here, I got the nectarine, strawberry puree. This is all fresh, by the way. You gotta keep it fresh. You got the OJ, fresh OJ. So, I'm gonna take my bottle of champagne, I'm gonna pour it up. Pour it up, pour it up. It's good. Then I'm gonna take some of the strawberry, mix it in. I'm mixing a little bit of OJ. I got some fresh fruit here if you want it. Personally, I just keep it straight liquid. And that's it. So, cheers. Happy 4th of July. Amazing.